Hi you guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you another video. That's my cap, the way I do my technique with the little white dots. If you guys see my other videos, you can see that I use those dots so that I don't put too many plaits in as I'm going along and have to go back and take some of them out. Basically, this is a wig that I'm making for one of my clients, and it's being done, I'm sorry, with a lace frontal. The back is just a Japanese swim cap, and if you notice, there's a thicker plait cornrow going around, and that cornrow is just to hold my space, because once I'm done doing the whole wig, I will go back and just on that row, I will make the braids very, very close together, and that makes sure I get total coverage of my back, of the braids in the back. So just check out my video, keep watching, and if you have any comments, please put them down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I just want to add, the videos that I'm adding are quick videos. They're just touching on key points, and in the future I will be making videos a little bit more thorough than they are now. If there is something that you want me to do, please let me know, because I'm always up for the challenge, as long as it's, you know, not too much. But anyway, put down in the comments whatever you want to ask me, and I'll do my best to answer it. So with further ado, I would like to say to all my subscribers, the word for this video is and. A-N-D, and. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Continue watching and listen to some music, and I will see you on my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.